So we're going to put all ingredients straight into a pan. First thing in, 6 tablespoons of sugar, and you can use white or brown. Then we want 4 tablespoons of water. Then 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, or you could just use white vinegar. Then we want 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And last, 6 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. And we'll just give that a bit of a mix. Now we need to move over to the cooker. So now we're going to bring this to a boil on a medium heat. And make sure you keep stirring this, because we're going to dissolve all that sugar. This recipe is so simple to make, and we're going to start and do a series of sauces as well as we come up to Christmas. Now it's starting to bubble. We're just going to turn it down a little. And then we're going to add a slurry. And that's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. And that's going to thicken the sauce for us. So get that in and stir. And you'll see that sauce thicken up in no time. If you want a thicker sauce, add a little more cornstarch. You see that's starting to thicken up nicely now. For me, that's the perfect consistency for a sweet and sour sauce. And the colour is pretty much as it should be. If you wanted to make it a bit redder, just use some food colouring. But I would say just dip the end of a spoon in, just to get a little bit. You don't want too much. And that's your sweet and sour sauce all done.